Hi guys, this is Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 2, Lesson 15. In this lesson we're talking about being able to model subtraction of 9 from teen numbers. So let's look at this. We're going to look at our steps. First thing, we're going to read the number sentence. It's super important to know what numbers we're having to work with and what it's telling us. Second thing is that we're going to break apart the teen number, the say 10 way, in a number bond. Then we're going to take 9 from 10. Then we're going to write your leftovers. Then we're going to add the leftovers and circle them. Then we're going to solve. So, let's look at this. We have 17 minus 9. So we write our number since that was step number 1. Step number 2, we have to break apart the teen number, the say teen way, in a number bond. Well, we know that 17 is our teen number. So we're going to break that apart as a number bond, but we're not going to make a separate number bond. We're just going to leave it right there and put our number bond right there, connected to the number sentence. So we know that 17, the 10 way, is 10, 7. Now the reason why I put 10 right there is because later on in just a moment, you're going to see that the 10 being closer just makes things a little bit neater, or makes just a little bit more sense for that 10 to be closer to that other part, or to that 9 or whatever number we're taking away. So we broke apart, so we read the number sentence, broke apart the teen number, the say 10 way number bond. Now we're going to take 9 from 10. So we know, remember I told you guys, the greedy 9 takes, the greedy 9, whenever the 9 needed 1, they always needed 1. Okay? So if we take away that greedy 9, 1 is going to be left. Okay? So that 9, if we take 9 away from that 10, there's only going to be 1 left. So now, we took 9 from 10. Now, I wrote my leftover. I took 9 from 10. There was 1 left. So check, I wrote my leftovers. Now, we're going to add our leftovers and circle them. So let's do that. Circle our leftovers, which is 7 and 1. Because 7 we never used yet. That's still our leftover. We still haven't done anything with that yet. Our 1 was our leftover after we subtracted 9 from 10. After we took 9 from 10, there was 1 left. So now, we're going to add our 2 leftovers together. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay? So, whoopsies. So now, check, did that. Now we're going to solve. And then, so now we know 8 is our answer. So what we did was that the 17, we broke it up into 2 numbers that would make it easier for us to use, which is 10 and 7. Remember I told you guys in first grade that number 10 is going to be super duper important. So we broke up that 17 to 10, 7. I just put that 10 on this side just to where I'd be close to that 9. You could have put the 10 on the other side, it would have been just as fine. Then we took out 9 from 10. Whenever we took 9 from 10, we knew there was going to be 1 more left of that 10. So I put that 1 that was left over from the 10 down under the 10. Then that 7 we never used yet. So we added the 7 and 1 together to make 8. So that is how we figured out that 17 minus 9 equals 8, because we broke it all down. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video.